Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. This is Manoj Dara. So in a significant development in the Binance WazirX dispute, Binance has said that it will fully cooperate with the Enforcement Directorate on its investigation on WazirX and announced plans to discontinue off-chain fund transfer services with its former partner and the Indian cryptocurrency exchange. So Binance in a blog post said going forward, it will support Indian regulators in ongoing matter concerning WazirX. The global exchange cited its endeavor to keep an open dialogue with regulators, policymakers, and the law enforcement community in its endeavor to collectively work towards a global regulatory framework for the industry. So we have mailed WazirX CEO and co-founder Nishchal Shetty for his comments on the ongoing dispute with Binance, and we are awaiting his response. So before we go any further, let me recap the series of events on the unfolding spat between the Binance and WazirX. So WazirX released a statement on Tuesday and clarified that Zanmai Labs Private Limited, the holding company which is owned by the Indian cryptocurrency exchange WazirX, has claimed that its local entities fully complied with the Know Your Customer norms laid down by the regulators and the Indian laws. In a statement, while maintaining the WazirX is operated jointly by the holding company and Binance, Zanmai said it has fully cooperated with the ED for several days and responded to its queries transparently. The holding company then claimed that the ED seems to be investigating the transactions of certain users and Zanmai Labs had no affiliations to users and is unaware about the purpose of their transactions. It further claimed that it was a victim of misuse by some intermediaries. So last week what happened, we will tell you. The Indian authorities raided the properties of WazirX director in connection to an alleged fraud involving crypto. So following the report, Zhao took on the Twitter to claim the Binance did not own WazirX, prompting Shetty to fire back and say it did. The Enforcement Directorate froze cryptocurrency exchange WazirX bank balance worth 64.67 crores and Binance founder denied owing Zanmai Labs, the entity operated by WazirX. So ED had accused WazirX for assisting 16 Indian fintech firms already under investigation by the agency in laundering proceeds of crime by transferring the money to the unknown foreign wallets. Binance reportedly stopped off-chain transfer between the exchange that was on Sunday. Shetty, in an interview with CoinDesk earlier on Monday, said that the off-chain services had been restarted, to which Zhao reacted. He also advised WazirX users to move their funds to Binance and that the exchange could shut down WazirX. WazirX users then flooded the exchange Telegram channel with the concerns about whether their funds were safe and whether the platform's native coin WRX would be delisted by Binance. So when asked for the comments, WazirX only said that the users can continue to use the on-chain deposits and withdrawals on WazirX. Binance also said that it will support Indian regulators in the ongoing matters concerning WazirX. So Changpeng Zhao says Binance does not own WazirX. So why he claims this, we will explain the entire episode. So Binance wanted an operational crypto trading presence in India following the 2020 Supreme Court decision that lifted the banking ban on the crypto exchanges. Singapore firm back then Zeti sold the technology, the product, the domain, the brand and everything to Binance. WazirX then got license from Binance to start INR crypto market in India under Zanmai Labs. Zanmai Labs controls just the crypto market in INR trading, but crypto-to-crypto trading is controlled by Binance. So Shetty further claimed that Binance owned the WazirX domain name, has root access to its servers, and had complete control over WazirX crypto assets and trading revenues as well. So if you talk about the fine prints of the JV, WazirX does the marketing and Binance owns the crypto wallet. Please remember this. So to which users, blockchain, crypto community react. In the meanwhile, the ongoing spat between the two partners, now turned foil, has spooked investors and built the blockchain and cryptocurrency community. So do you know that Binance founder and CEO Changpeng Zhao and co-founder of WazirX Nishchal Shetty both are currently based in Dubai? Despite being in the same city, rather than meeting in person and sorting out their differences like matured adults, they are acting like an odd couple by declaring a Twitter war against each other. So when CZ and Nishchal Shetty aired their dirty laundry in public, the most shocking revelation of all the users of WazirX came from CZ when he said that the so-called acquisition of WazirX announced on 21st November 2019 and posted on Binance blog post was never completed. That was actually a big shock. WazirX was never owned by Binance. What? Then why did WazirX mention Binance as the owner of all these years in countless media articles? This is a big question mark. Why until now nobody from WazirX team ever put out corrections or tweeted to clarify this confusion? Were they deliberately misleading the public? This is actually a question to ask. We spoke with industry specialists. Let's listen in what they have to say on the development.
It's very unfortunate that this situation between WazirX and Binance has emerged. My first and foremost concern is that investor money should be safeguarded by whoever is responsible. I think in such situation can be avoidable with the better compliance controls. I think it's high time exchanges should learn from banking ecosystems.
The current war of words between Binance and WazirX highlights the importance of having regulations in place because customers now are left in lurch. Binance has stopped off-chain transfers to WazirX. So I would like to highlight that it's not only necessary to ensure regulation so that investor interests are protected, but also to ensure that these exchanges, they follow the rule of the law. So regulation will not only enforce compliance, but also create a level playing field for new entrants who want to explore crypto technologies and create new business models. Thank you.
Crypto industry is traumatized by the way the whole episode of Binance and WazirX SPAT on Twitter has taken place, as Binance distances itself from India's crypto exchange WazirX. There are almost 15 million customers on the WazirX, and they have all been left in lurch, and it's really disturbing the investors. And at the time when they're already bleeding and they're unsure of their investments on the exchange, I'm very sure that we shall get a clarity as the fog clears in the days ahead, both from the law enforcement and the crypto exchange.
That's all there is in this special segment about Binance and WazirX SPAT. Stay tuned on 3.0 TV for more such interesting updates. This is Manoj Dara signing off, but do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.